In that the second chapter, the arm instruction set, the second unit barrel shifter, that pre the data processing instruction. ARM data processing instruction enable to the programmer to perform the arithmetic and logical operation on the data values in the registers. All other instructions just move around and the control sequence of the program execution. So the data processing instruction are only one instructions which modify the data values. This instruction typically require the two operands and they produce a single result. Through there are the exception of the both these rules. Characteristics of the operation: add two values together to the produce in the signal result, which is the sum. Here the some rules which applied the ARM data processing instruction. That means the first rule is the all operands are the 32-bit wide and come from the register or are specified as the literal in the instruction itself. The second one is the result is there if there is one the 32-bit wide and the placed together to registers. And third is the each of the operand register and the result register are independently specified in the instruction. That is the ARM uses 3 address format in this instructions. The data processing instruction manipulate the data within register. They are move instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, comparison instruction and multiple instruction. Mostly the data processing instruction can process one of their operands using the barrel shifter. If you use the yes suffix on the data processing instruction, then it update the flags in the CPSR. Then move the logical update operation, carry flag C, negative flag N and the 0 flag Z. The carry flag is the set from the result barrel shifter as the last bit shifted out the when carry flag is set. The N flag is set to be the 31 of the result and the Z flag is set if the result 0. Move instructions. Move is the simple ARM instruction. It copies the N into the destination register RD, where N is the register or the immediate value. This instruction is useful for the setting initial values and the data transferring data between the registers. The figure shows the syntax of the move instructions. In the figure the present the full description of the values allowed for the second operand N for all data processing instruction. Usually is a register RM or the constant produced by the slash. In that the example for the data processing instruction. This example shows the simple move instructions. The move instruction takes the contents of the register R5 and copies into the R7. In this case, taking the values of the 5 and overwriting the values of 8 register R7. In that registers, the pre-value is equal to R is equal to 5. R5 is equal to 5 and R7 is equal to 8. That means the move R5 into the move R7 into the R5. That means R7 हे तुमचं काय असणार आहे इज इक्वल टू R5. बट तुमच्या R5 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 5. दॅट मीन्स द तुमचा पोस्ट रिझल्ट काय असणार आहे R7 इज इक्वल टू 5. द सेमी कॉलम is the, in this case, indicates the everything to the right of its the comment and should be ignored by the assembler. That means the comment are put into the assembler source code to make the reading and understanding it easier. This example simple takes the values of the two register, that means the R1 and R2. that means तुम्हाला या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये R5 and R7 दिलेला आहे. In that the addition may produce the carry out in the case assigned 2s complement values and the internal overflow into the sign bit, but in this case either the is the ignored. When this instruction executed only one change the system set. दॅट मीन्स तुमच्या ज्यावेळेस तुमची ही इन्स्ट्रक्शन एक्झिक्यूट होते त्यावेळेस तुमच्या सिस्टीममध्ये सिस्टीम स्टेटमध्ये काय होतं, चेंज होतं. दॅट मीन्स द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन रेजिस्टर, म्हणजे तुमच्या R7 R5ची व्हॅल्यूज फक्त इथे R7ची व्हॅल्यू चेंज झालेली आहे. द नेक्स्ट इज द बॅरल शिफ्टर. वी शो द मूव इन्स्ट्रक्शन where n is the simple register, but n can be the more than the just registers or immediate value. It can also register rem that has been the pre-produced by the barrel shifter prior to being used the data processing instructions. Data processing instructions are processed within the arithmetic logical unit, a unique and powerful feature ARM processor in the ability to the shift the 32-bit binary pattern and one of the source register left or right by the specific number of the position before the enter the ALU. This shift increases the power and the flexibility of the many data processing operation. There are the data processing instructions that do not use the barrel shifter. For example, multiply, count leading zeros, and the signed saturated 32-bit add instruction. Pre-processing or the shift occur within the cycle time of the instruction. This is the particularly useful for the loading constants into the register and achieving the fast multiplies or the division by the power of 2. In barrel shifted and ALU, the barrel shifted we will take the example move instruction and the add shift operation the move instructions. In that the register RN enters the ALU without any processing registers. That means the figure shows the data flow between the ALU and the barrel shifters. In the barrel shifter operations, the 5 different operation you can see the you can use the within the barrel shifter are summarized in that the table. In that the figure, the logical shift left by 1. For example, the contents of the bit 0 are shifted to bit 1. Bit 0 is cleared, the carry flag updated with the last bit shifted out of the registers. This is the 32 minus y, the original value, where y is the shift amount. When y is the greater than 1, then the shift by the y position is the same shift by the 1 position executed y times. This figure shows about the logical shifted by the shift left by the 1. There is the x and n, the register shift being shifted, x represent the register being shifted and y represent the shifted amount. In that the table 3.3 that means the barrel shifted operation syntax for the data processing instruction, in that the n shift operation and that the syntax.